Let me go with the problem number 10 right here. Pintu and Ayush participate in 100-meter race. Pintu took 18 1/5 seconds and Ayush took 21 3/4 seconds. How much longer did Ayush take? Right. Now, what we need to do first of all, so we are supposed to, so Pintu, how much time he took? He took 18 1/5 seconds. Right. Now, Ayush, how much time he took? That is 21 3/4 seconds. First, what we need to do, let us convert, this is mixed fraction, this fraction we need to convert it into improper, mixed fraction to improper fraction. Let me convert. You know how to convert it. So you need to multiply this, then you need to add here. Multiply and add 18 into 5 plus 1, that divided by 5, which gives, right, 10 5 is a 50, 8 5 is a 40, 90 plus 1, 91. 91/5 we got. Right? Now, 21 4s are, that is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, that is 84 plus 3. This is going to be 87/4 we got. Right? So this, how you can do, 21 into 4 plus 3/4. Right? Ayush took 87/4 second. Pintu took 91/5 seconds. Now subtract here. Right, find the difference of it, that is 91/5 minus 87/4. Right, let us simplify it here. So observe the denominator, both are different and as well as which are not multiple of any number are each other, so it is a co-prime, so multiply it. So take a LCM of 5 and 4. Right, that is 5 4s are 20. Right, 20 is going to be the LCM. Right, so now divide 20 by 5. 5 4s are, right, 4 into 91 minus. Divide this 20 by 4, that is 5. 5 into 87. Now simplify it here. 4 1s are 4, right? So 9 4s are 36. 364 minus 7 5s are 35. 5, 3 carry, right? 8 5s are 40 plus 3, 43. That divided by 20. So this is difference, right? Difference. So negative number, if you get negative, nothing to worry. So you can find the difference here. 435 minus 364 you can do. Right. So what I'll do now, 435 minus 364 I'll do by 20. So difference you need to find. Right. 5 minus 4 is going to be 1. Right. 3 minus 6, it's not possible. 13 minus 6 is going to be 7, right? That divided by 20. 71/20 seconds is, right, is taking longer time. So this I will convert, right? So how you are going to convert? This is improper fraction, right? So convert it into mixed fraction. So improper to mixed, that is QRD. Quotient here 71, that divided by 20. 23 is 60, 11 is the difference, right? That is going to be the remainder. This is remainder, this is quotient, and this is divisor. So what you can do now here, right? Q quotient is 3, right? Remainder is 11, and as well as divisor is 20. So 311/20 seconds it took time, right? That is, the answer is here 311/20 seconds. Right, even though if you get negative, nothing to worry, so take this only, right? You understood.